Chemical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the design and the operations of the chemical plants and the development of the chemical processes. It is the intersection of the applied chemistry, separation process, and the material science with the industrial practice. Chemical engineers are responsible for the design and the operation of the chemical plants and the processes. They work in the variety of industries, including the oil and gas, food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. Chemical engineers must have a strong understanding of the chemistry and physics. They use their knowledge to develop new and improve products and processes. Chemical engineering are also responsible for processing the raw materials into the products while also disposing of the unwanted byproducts and excess waste materials. They are also responsible for the sustainable design of the plants, processes, and the systems. This include pollution prevention at all levels, from the raw materials to the final products. Thanks for watching.